get a photo? Okay. Our next award, going to stay right here in Varna with a 1973 Corvette. This is Dick Lamp.
Hey.
Dick Lamp. Lampy. Our next award goes to a 1964 Chevrolet Impala. This is John Clevenger. John Clevenger. They tell me this is 2 years in a row, John.
Turn around, John.
Other way. He's shooting video, he's shooting stills. Our next award goes to a 1996 Grand Prix out of Magnolia. This is David Foster. David Foster. I understand his sister will be accepting for him. You get your photo taken with it? A girl that won't let her get her photo taken. Huh. Our next award goes to a 1970 Porsche. This is Vernon Wetland. Vernon Wetland.
I'll get it. I'll get it. Mom's gonna get it.
Mom's gonna get it.
Mom's gonna have her picture taken. Oh. Where is he? Oh, look at it backwards.
It's backwards. Hey, this guy's having a good day here today. Our next award goes to a 1964 Chevrolet Impala that's going to have a full tank of gas in it. This is James Reno, our 50-50 winner. Our next award goes to a 1970 Olds 442. Should we give it to Sharon or Jack?
Sharon.
Sharon Teason. I didn't put any names on the front of this. It's just, you know. I guess Sharon's going to accept this one. That's okay. They have several cars here today, so. Our next award in the top 20 is going to a Corvette, a 1967 Corvette of Travis Allen. Travis Allen. I see Travis on his way up. Our next award goes to a 1975 Pontiac Trans Am. This is Sonny Rowan. Sonny Rowan. 1975 Trans Am. Coming up behind us. Our next award goes to a 66 Ford Mustang. This is Brett Riddle. Brett Riddle. 66 Mustang. Our next award goes to a Camaro driver, 69 Camaro. This is Holly Strongholler. Our next in the top 20 goes to a 1986 Monte Carlo. This is Tom Flores Jr. Tom Flores Jr. Monte Carlo driver. Our next award goes to a Chevelle, 1969 Chevelle. This one we'll give to Jack. Jack Teason. How many cars you got all together in that collection? 12. You have what, about 4 of them here today? Our next award. Hey, this one's going to a pickup truck, 1993 Chevrolet Silverado, Chuck Wetland. Chuck Wetland. He brought his cheering section with him. Our next award goes to an AMC Javelin, 1970 Javelin. This is Mike Baker. Mike Baker. Our next award, this one goes to a 1964 Ford Fairlane. This is Ralph Cotton. Ralph Cotton. Ralph, this is 2 in a row for you too as well, isn't it? Our next award goes to a 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is Stan Viets. Stan Viets. And our final in the top 20 awards, this one goes to Jim Downey Sr. with a 1984 Monte Carlo. And our best of show here today, ballot box said, goes to Jack and Sharon Teason with their 1970 Chevelle.
Now do you know why I called you out of the office? Oh, yeah. It's like, oh, that's nice. Oh, that's so nice. Come here, get over here.
That's all we have to give away here this afternoon. We'd like to thank everybody for being here today and staying here during a slight little shower. I want to make sure everybody got their Sham Wow. If you did not get one and you had a car registered here today, stop up at the registration. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody for being here today. If you've not done yet, you want to do something else, head to Peru. Peru Cruise Night. That's where we're going to be next. Thank you. Please drive safely on your way home.